If you've been keeping up with my channel, you'd know that I'm doing a complete garage makeover. If you haven't already, check out my last video where I show you how I did this awesome marble epoxy floor for my garage. And today's part 2 of the garage makeover, so let's get into it. Are you looking for a table for your garage? Well, look no further. FlexiSpot has the desk for you. This is FlexiSpot's E7 PRO, and let me tell you, it is the best freaking standing desk I have ever used. Look at how it just hoists me up into the air. A full-grown adult male with ease. It's super sturdy, and I'm getting really high up right now. So let me calm down and let me tell you some more about this awesome desk. It's so smooth I can fall asleep right here. Hold up. Before I tell you about this awesome desk, let me first continue with the garage install. Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and install some lights in the garage today. There's already one light in the garage, but it's just not bright enough for the entire room. We're going to go ahead and add some shop lights all around the garage and really make it bright in here. It'll really complement the marble epoxy floor that we've done and really create that bright, vibrant shop space that we're looking for. So I've gone ahead and connected the first of our lights. What we're going to do now is these lights actually plug right into each other and they just daisy chain. And I'm going to just daisy chain these lights all around the perimeter of the garage. So if you guys want to know which light I'm using the 46-inch LED linkable shop light from Coda. I purchased this from Costco and it was about $40 a light. And what we're going to do is just connect these all around the garage. Always wear safety glasses, especially when drilling above you. The amount of times I've had drywall, dust, and just debris fall in my eye has been a lot, and it's not fun to get a piece of drywall stuck in your eye, so make sure you wear your safety glasses. Alright, so my camera did die while I was installing these, but as you can see, just from these 3 lights alone, the garage looks so much brighter. It really makes the floor pop and just makes the entire garage look so much more vibrant. Let's continue and see what it looks like. Alright, so we've got the entire garage lighting set up. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to hook it up to this TP-Link smart plug. That way we can control it using our phone or any of my other smart devices, and maybe even automate it so whenever the garage door opens, it'll turn on the lights as well. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting up this wall-mounted Husky tool organizer. This is great as it allows me to store my drillers, my drivers, my other various tools and batteries. I'm also going to take advantage of the space we have on the wall, and I'm going to hang up my miter saw. This really saves a lot of desk space and really maximizes the space that we have in this garage. And what kind of garage makeover would it be without a TV in it? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wall mount this TV, and I'm going to make sure everything's nice and sturdy. Also make sure everything's nice and level, and then we're going to go ahead and hang this TV up. Alright, so we have gone up and put the TV up on the wall. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to drill into this slat board here and just feed these power cables behind. As you can see, there's some space underneath so that the cables can come through and we can connect the fade out right there. It just makes it look cleaner and you won't see any of those wires hanging down from the TV. Alright guys, we are now moving on to the next step. We are going to be installing our main desk setup in this garage. This desk was sent to me by FlexiSpot, so huge shout out to them for sending me this table for me to integrate as a part of my garage setup. I'm super excited to be using this table. It's supposed to be really sturdy, so that's especially going to be useful when we're 3D printing, as it'll minimize a lot of those vibrations that may come from the 3D printer. And hopefully it's a lot quieter and more sturdier than my previous desk, which was definitely very wobbly when I was 3D printing. So let's go ahead and set this up and see what it's gonna look like. If you've never had a standing desk before, let me tell you why you need one. Alternating between standing and sitting when working is more ergonomic, and it also helps correct posture. It also can help reduce stress as well as help blood circulation. It's also been proven to help better concentration as well as help you think more creatively. When you get tired of sitting or standing, you can change the height with the press of a button without moving the whole project to a whole other workspace. FlexiSpot helps you achieve all of this, plus at an affordable price. If you want to unlock even more savings, check the link in my description where you'll find an exclusive promo code that'll save you even more money and get your FlexiSpot table today. Alright guys, this is pretty impressive. Right now, I'm printing the Speed Benchy on Anycubics Cobra 3. This printer is printing on its fastest possible setting, and there's no wobble or vibration whatsoever in this table. I'm genuinely impressed on how sturdy this table is. This is my first 4-leg standing desk, and wow guys, it really does make a night and day difference on how much sturdier it is, especially when 3D printing. One benefit of having a table so sturdy like this is the vibrations that it minimizes for your 3D prints. This is going to prevent, print failures and layer lines from shifting, and overall it's going to give you a better print quality. So having a sturdy desk like this is super important when you're printing at high speeds like this. Another thing I forgot to mention is that this table is on casters. This desk is not even as sturdy as it could be. If I replace these casters and replace them with the regular screw-on legs that it came with, it would be even sturdier. Considering that this desk is on casters and I'm getting little to no vibrations or shaking from the desk, this is very impressive from FlexiSpot. Now, I printed the exact same print on the exact same printer in my office upstairs. The only difference now is this table. And let me tell you, this print looks so much cleaner than the first one I did. And I really think it's because of the vibrations that this table minimizes that it's able to print this good. Now let's see if it'll float. Oh, I guess not. Alright, now let's go ahead and finish setting up the rest of our desk. One desk accessory that is a must-have for me for any setup is this 3-in-1 wireless charger from Kushu. This wireless charger can charge my AirPods, my watch, and my smartphone, all with one cable. Not only that, I can fold it up small enough to fit in my pocket and take it anywhere. This is definitely a must-have for any desk setup. And one essential part of my workflow is turning my phone over and using it in that standby mode. It really helps me focus on my work and cuts out a lot of distractions. Another one of my favorite accessories is again by Kushu. This is their X36 magnetic iPad stand. I love this iPad stand. It just looks so clean and minimalistic, and it just goes well with any setup. If you're looking for a nice workstation, I definitely recommend you check these accessories out, as I guarantee it'll go well with your setup as well. This desk has even got a USB port, so I can charge my portable speaker or whatever USB devices I may need to charge. Not only is this setup super awesome, I can move this anywhere I want to in the garage as long as the power cable allows me to. Because this is on casters, I can freely move this wherever I want. I can turn it to the side, you know, and have a really cool setup this way. I can move it all the way to the middle, you know, and just take advantage of this massive space that we have here. This is awesome for if I'm going to be filming something in the garage and I want to temporarily make some space. I can just move this around wherever I need to. FlexiSpot provides all kinds of standing desks to meet your demands. If you want a premium standing desk for daily use, you can check out their E7 and E7 Pro. If you are on a limited budget, you can choose their E5 model. Unlock more savings by using the exclusive promo code provided in the description. Click the FlexiSpot link to enjoy these fantastic discounts. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. I want to give a huge shout out to FlexiSpot for sending me this desk for me to integrate as a part of my garage setup. This video would not have been possible without them, so a huge shout out to you guys. If you enjoyed my content, please give a like and comment down below if you guys have any questions, comments, or any suggestions for what I can add to my garage. If you're interested to see what's next, please consider subscribing, as I'm going to be posting more videos of what I'm going to make in this garage and all of the cool stuff that's going to be going on. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.